Hello, my name is Noah Myers, a pre-service social studies teacher, and for my content exploration area, I have chosen Kahoot. Now, Kahoot is a game that I myself have played many times in the classroom, and I'm sure most other students have played it as well. Basically, it's a game where a teacher can either create like a quiz, or they can choose from thousands and thousands of pre-made ones, such as one on geometry, science, and history. And basically, it's a quiz where students either get into groups or by themselves, and they can choose to answer one or four answers on their phones, tablet, basically anything electronical. And at the end, it just tells you which student wins. And this allows students to be really engaged in the classroom. It allows them to compete against each other, so they're having so much fun, they don't even realize that they're learning. And also, it is very efficient for both the students and for the teacher, because instead of a teacher having to spend an hour or 2 hours or something like that creating a review, you can just hop on Kahoot.com, search for a quiz, and then it shouldn't take long, and then the students just copy the game pin down, and they're playing a game in a short amount of time, rather than the students having to sit at their desk, spending 30 minutes on a review that the teacher had to make up, and this just allows for a much efficient learning experience. It also can improve and enhance the classroom, because it gets students more involved with teachers, teachers more involved with students, and just creates a better learning environment. And I believe that it's more effective at reinforcing the ideas that the students have already learned, the teachers have already taught, and again, it just allows them to have so much fun, the class is engaged, the class is so hyped, the teacher is having fun, meanwhile they're all learning, and it promotes efficiency, effectiveness, enhancement, and engagement, and it's just all around a very good content exploration tool.